Are you applying to hundreds or even thousands of jobs and constantly getting rejected? In this video, I'm going to share 4 secrets that are going to help you crush your software engineering job search that Silicon Valley recruiters do not want you to know. My name is Scott. I didn't study computer science, but I wanted to be a software engineer in Silicon Valley's biggest tech companies. So I busted my ass and I did exactly that. I've been a senior software engineer at companies like AppSumo, Autodesk, GitLab, and many others, and I've also contributed to some of open source's largest projects. Number 1, recruiters don't know the difference between Java and JavaScript. Now, I'm half joking, but out of the hundreds of recruiters I've talked to, 99.9% of them are not technical. Why does this matter? Well, it's important to know what each person knows at each stage to help you get to the next round. For the recruiter, they're just looking that you're a good culture fit, you align with the business values, you can have a conversation, and you check the boxes that their hiring manager told them to look for. Number 2, you do not get your dream job from applying online. I have 10 years of experience, and I can't even get a job applying online. I tried it out recently to see if things have changed after having 10 years of experience, but shocker, I didn't hear back and I just got a blanket rejection email. Number 3, once the job has been posted online, you're likely too late. Just like buying a business, just like putting an offer on a house, once it's on the market and everyone knows that, you're entering into a competition. So what do? You meet people who are in charge of hiring that can open the doors for you or maybe refer you internally. Remember, referrals are king no matter what industry you're in. Secret number 4. Your resume doesn't actually matter. I mean, sure, it's important to have a piece of paper to provide when someone says, "Can I see your resume?" But optimizing your resume for keywords in a competitive job market might be the biggest waste of your time. Take what I say with a grain of salt. Use data to back your decisions. How many jobs have you applied to online with your resume? How many have you heard back from? If you think your resume is the issue, change your resume and do the same amount and see if there's a percentage change in difference. If there is, you're on the right direction. If there isn't, go do something else. Personally, in a competitive job market, I don't want to spend my time updating my resume because I don't think it has the returns that I'm looking for the time spent. So I would rather go out, network, contribute to open source, meet people, and see if there's a job opportunity that might fit my interests. So to recap, number 1, recruiters are not technical, and that's okay. Number 2, you don't get your dream job from applying to random jobs online. Number 3, once the job that you're looking for is online, you're likely too late. So make sure you network. Number 4, your resume, it doesn't matter. There are higher return on investment activities that you can be doing to get your dream job in a competitive market. One more bonus tip. In a competitive job market, I think it's really important to gather as much data as possible. After your interview, if you didn't get the job, ask the recruiter for feedback what you could have improved. A lot of times they're not going to give it to you, but sometimes they will, and that is gold that you can use to take action in the future. One of my subscribers recently did this, and it unlocked a huge barrier that we didn't realize was a problem until the recruiter told them. So gather that data so we can use it in the future in your job search in a competitive market. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, check out where I walk through the resume that's made me over $1 million as a software engineer without a computer science degree. In that video, I show you exactly what's on my resume, what I recommend for you to put on your resume, and other tips and tricks that I share with people that ask me how to improve their resume in a competitive job market.